This is another video for Classable, classable.co. Hey, this is Scott Weinkowitz, and today I want to share another video, another tip, tutorial on how you can better improve your virtual education, whether learning or teaching. This one is for anybody who needs to utilize their phone, their Android phone, their iPhone, whatever it is, and hop on a Zoom call, hop on a Google Meet, hop on whatever it is on your phone and video chat. Sure, what I'm about to show you is not the least expensive equipment. There are cheaper alternatives, but you get what you pay for. So let's dive into this. It all starts with this. This is the Switchpod. This is something that a lot of YouTubers utilize for vlogging. I love this little tripod. Yes, it is a tripod because the legs open up like that. So it takes up very little space and actually gets to a pretty good height, especially if you are sitting down at a desk and your phone's on top of this. On here, I actually have a ball head from the Colorado Tripod Company. Switchpod does make their own ball head. You don't need to have theirs, but if you're gonna buy a Switchpod, you might as well buy the ball head that they offer. Next up is actually this. This is the Glyph. I think I've talked about this on my channel, my YouTube channel, multiple times, but basically this is a clamp for a phone and it goes pretty wide. It can hold a pretty big phone. I'm currently waiting for the iPhone Pro Max to come in. When that does, I'll know if it fits in here as well, but it should fit, no problem. What you see on the bottom here is actually the plate for my ball head. Now, if you were to use Switchpod, the ball head, it would literally just screw to the bottom of this Glyph. And the Glyph, in my opinion, is the best phone holder for a tripod. What you would do is you would actually take this and screw it on here onto the ball head. Then you would open this up and sit it down on a table. You would then take your phone, slip it in there, clamp it down. Your phone is now not going anywhere at all. You've got this down on the table, you are zooming, and by the way, because this is a ball head, if I wanted to do this vertically instead of horizontally, I could just go like that, and now my phone is vertical instead of horizontal. Of course, that was upside down, but you get the drift. Here it is the normal way. So you could, adjust it however you need. Now, when it comes to audio, the easiest solution is to just get a good, and I repeat, good pair of headphones, of wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now, on an iPhone, the best you can do is either going to be the Beats or the AirPods. They are designed by Apple. They are made by Apple. They work the best with Apple products. If you are on Android, of course, the best you can do is something like Google Pixel Buds or whatever they call them. Or you could do something else. Bose makes really nice headphones, but again, you don't need the most expensive headphones. You can get Soundcore earbuds, which are made by Anker, who makes fantastic third-party mobile accessories. Last, but definitely not least, is power. When you are zooming and you're using your phone, you are draining the heck out of your phone's battery. So, my recommendation is if you are in a pinch, if you can't plug in to a wall, is to have something like a battery backup available for you to just plug in, and that way you have more than enough power as you need it on the fly. I have battery backups from Anker. I have them from Goal Zero. I've got a bunch. This one is from Goal Zero. This one I have been using for years. It could take a beating. I could actually hang it from something if I want to. It works very well. And I would literally just plug it in to my phone and charge at the same time as zooming. Now I'm charging. And the cool part is this can just sit on the desk underneath the Switchpod tripod. No problem. I just did a Zoom call. It was about an hour Zoom call with this exact setup. It worked perfect, and I was not home at the time when I had to do this call. It was fantastic. Down below this video, I will link to all of these products if you want to get these, or if you wanted to look at these and then find cheaper alternatives, you could do the same thing, because I promise less expensive alternatives exist. But again, you get what you pay for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.